Did you know that the foods you eat can directly impact the health of your arteries? Our arteries are like highways for our blood, carrying oxygen and nutrients throughout our body. But when these highways get clogged with plaque, it can lead to serious health issues, including heart attacks and strokes. The good news? Incorporating these specific foods into your meals can help clear out your arteries, keeping them flexible, clean, and functioning optimally. Before you start listing the best meals to clear out your arteries, let's briefly discuss why arterial health is so crucial. Plaque buildup in the arteries, also known as atherosclerosis, occurs when fats, cholesterol, and other substances accumulate along the arterial walls. This buildup narrows the arteries and restricts blood flow, leading to a host of cardiovascular problems. The key to preventing and even reversing this condition lies in your diet. By consuming nutrient-dense foods that reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, and improve blood circulation, you can support your arterial health and keep your heart in top shape. Let's break down the ideal meal that targets arterial health. This meal will include ingredients that have been shown to reduce plaque buildup, improve blood flow, and support overall cardiovascular health. First on the list is salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids help reduce triglyceride levels and prevent the formation of clots, keeping your arteries clear. Additionally, omega-3s have been shown to raise HDL cholesterol levels, the good cholesterol that helps remove plaque from the arteries. When preparing your meal, opt for wild-caught salmon, which tends to have higher omega-3 content and fewer contaminants than farmed varieties. Next, we have leafy greens, like spinach, kale, and arugula. These greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support heart health. They are particularly rich in nitrates, which are compounds that help dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. Nitrates convert into nitric oxide in the body, which relaxes the arteries and prevents them from becoming stiff and narrow. Including a generous serving of leafy greens in your meal can significantly contribute to keeping your arteries healthy. Avocados are another star ingredient when it comes to arterial health. They are high in monounsaturated fats, which are known to reduce bad cholesterol, LDL levels, while boosting good cholesterol, HDL levels. Avocados are also rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and prevent plaque formation. Adding avocado to your meal not only enhances its flavor, but also adds a creamy texture and a dose of heart-healthy nutrients. Incorporating whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or barley into your meal provides your body with soluble fiber. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, helping to remove it from the body before it can be absorbed into the bloodstream. This process helps lower overall cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Whole grains also provide sustained energy and help stabilize blood sugar levels, further supporting cardiovascular health. For a nutrient-packed topping, consider adding a handful of nuts and seeds to your meal. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent choices. These are high in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, which collectively work to reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and improve blood vessel function. The combination of nuts and seeds adds a satisfying crunch to your meal while delivering a powerful dose of heart-protective nutrients. Finish your meal with a serving of fresh berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce blood pressure and improve artery function. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals in the body, preventing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key contributors to arterial damage. Enjoying berries as a dessert not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also provides a heart-healthy boost. To create the ultimate artery-clearing meal, start with a grilled or baked salmon fillet as your main protein source. Serve it alongside a generous portion of steamed or sautéed leafy greens and pair it with a side of quinoa or brown rice. Top your meal with slices of avocado and a sprinkle of mixed nuts and seeds. Finally, round off your meal with a fresh berry salad for dessert. This meal is not only delicious and satisfying, but it's also packed with nutrients that actively work to keep your arteries clear and your heart healthy. Incorporating these foods into your regular diet can make a significant difference in your cardiovascular health, helping you to prevent and reverse the effects of arterial plaque buildup. Remember, the health of your arteries plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. By making smart dietary choices, you can take control of your cardiovascular health and enjoy a long, vibrant life.